In this video, I will show you how you can use two Apple IDs on your iPhone. Now, to start, just go to Settings. Now, in Settings, just sign into your main Apple ID. Now, you can use your main Apple ID for its iCloud, but if you want to use another Apple ID for App Store purchases, just tap on Media and Purchases and select Sign Out. Tap on Sign Out, and you will sign out of your Apple ID from the App Store. Then go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon and select Sign in with Apple account. Now to use another Apple account for the App Store purchases, just select Not this account. Now in this section, just enter your other Apple account. After you enter your second iCloud account, then tap on the arrow icon and enter the password of your iCloud account. Then tap on Done. Now after you do that, you'll receive a verification code on the phone number which is linked to your second Apple account. And after you receive the verification code, just enter it over here. And once you do that, you will be able to use your second Apple ID for your App Store purchases. As you can see, this is our second Apple ID and this is our main Apple ID. Now this is one thing, but you can also use another Apple ID or your second Apple ID for your iMessages. For that, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the Messages app. Then tap on Messages. Now from here, beneath iMessages, just tap on Send and Receive. Now from here, just tap on your Apple account which you're using, then select Sign Out. And after you do that, you will be able to use another Apple ID for your iMessages. And this is how you can use two Apple IDs on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.